Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. And do you know our second term has been started, and this is our first week. In this week, we are going to learn new things. Okay, and before going to start our lesson, first I will tell you today's moral lesson. And today's moral lesson is say Alhamdulillah for all blessings. बेटा ब्लेसिंग्स मीन्स अल्लाह ताला की नेमतें, वो चीज़ें जो अल्लाह ताला ने हमें बग़ैर मांगे हमें अता की हुई हैं। उसकी बहुत सारी नेमतें हैं, जैसे अल्लाह ताला ने हमें हमारी बॉडी को बनाया है। आप गौर करें, हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स बनाए हैं, हमें अल्लाह ताला ने पीने के लिए पानी अता किया है, दूध अता किया है। इस तरह अल्लाह ताला की बहुत सारी नेमतें हैं, ठीक है, जिनका हमें शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए। और आज जो मैं आपको लेसन भी पढ़ाऊँगी वो भी ब्लेसिंग से रिलेटेड है। सो वी शुड से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह फॉर ऑल ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ अल्लाह। ओके, दिस इज़ योर इंग्लिश पीरियड एंड आई एम योर इंग्लिश टीचर. Now come towards our today's lesson. What we are going to learn today, that is parts of body. Yes, we are going to learn today parts of body. Do you know that we have a body? हमारा जो जिस्म है सारा, that is called a body, and our body has different parts. Look at the definition of this. Our body has different parts and every part has a name. हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स के नेम्स होते हैं, ठीक है, जिनसे हम उनको कॉल करते हैं. लाइक वी हैव हैंड्स, वी हैव फेस, आइज. नाउ लेट्स सी, look at this is a boy. Now look at his body, can you see? And there are different parts. Now we will find out the names of these parts one by one. Look at this. First and most important part, that is head. HEAD, head. And our head is at the top of our body. Now next is face. Front side of the head is face. FACE, face. Look at this, eyes, and we see with our eyes, EYES, eyes. How many eyes we have? We have 2 eyes. Next part is lips, LIPS, lips. Yes, and the next part is ears, EAR, ear. And how many ears we have? 2 ears, and we listen, we hear with our ears. And the next part is nose. All these things are at your face, okay? NOSE, nose. And what we do with the nose? We smell with the nose. And all these are blessings of Allah, because without these parts we cannot see without eyes, we cannot hear without ears, and we cannot smell without nose. Okay, now look at this. Now come down from the face, there is arms, ARM, arm, okay? And the joint of the arm is called elbow. Your arms are straight, we can bend also them, okay? आप उसको बेंड करके देखें, हम उन्हें फोल्ड कर सकते हैं ना. हाउ वी फोल्ड देम? विद द हेल्प ऑफ एल्बो, ELLBOW, elbow, okay? Now come down, there are our hands. This part is hand, HAND, hand. And we have 2 arms and 2 hands, okay? Look at this. And we do so many things with our hands. We write, we eat, we drink, we do our all works with our hands, okay? And this is a blessing of Allah. Next is knee, KNEE, knee. This is the joint part of the leg, KNEE, knee. Look at this, this is our leg, LEG, leg. Full is called leg and the joint is called knee. Okay, now come down. This part is foot, F-O-O-T, foot. And foot we use to walk and we stand on our legs, and the bottom part is foot, F-O-O-T, foot. And we walk on our feet, okay? We have 2 feet. This is also blessing. If in fact all parts of body are blessings of Allah, because without any part our body is not complete. ठीक है? And we should say अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. जब भी हम अपने बॉडी पार्ट्स को देखें, उनसे वर्क करें, तो हमें अल्लाह ताला का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए कि अल्लाह ताला ने हमें एक मुकम्मल इंसान बनाया है. ठीक है? Okay, now come towards our today's classwork, and the topic of our today's classwork is also parts of body. We will do classwork on workbook page 15. Look at this. This is our workbook page 15. Open this page. Hurry up, and on this page you will see a boy. Now we will write the names of these parts on these लाइन्स. दीज आर एरोज. ये इन पार्ट्स को पॉइंट आउट किया गया है. हम इन लाइन्स पे इनके नेम्स राइट करेंगे. ठीक है? नाउ फर्स्ट लुक एट द हेडिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेटा यू विल राइट डेट, on which date you are doing this work, exactly that date. Now come down and read the heading with me. OUR, BODY, body. Our body means we are going to write about our body parts. Okay, now first look at this. At the top, first part is head. Now you will write at the left side line HEAD, head, and all the letters will be small. You will write with small letters and close to each other. And at the right side dash you will write hair, HAIR, hair. Our head is covered with the hair. Okay, now come down. At your face we have different parts. Like first at the left side you will write eye, EYE, eye at first line. Now you will come down. At the second line you will write at the line, okay, NOSE, nose. Now come at the right side. At first line you will write ear. This part is ear, EAR, ear. Okay, now come down. Next line is pointing towards the lips, LIPS, lips. Write down. Now come down. We are going to write about the arm. At the left side, look at this. At first line, this line is pointing towards the arm, so you will write the spellings of arm, ARM, arm. Now come down. Second line is pointing towards the hand, HAND, hand. Write the spellings of hand. Now you will come at the right side, and this first line, this arrow is pointing towards the elbow. And do you know what is elbow? The joint of the arm is called elbow, ELLBOW, elbow. Now you will come down, and this line is pointing towards the finger, FIN, GER, finger. And do you know how many fingers we have on 2 hands? Yes, 10 fingers. Okay, now we will move forward. You will come down. After arms there are legs. So at left side, at first arrow you will write leg, LEG, leg. This arrow is pointing towards the leg. Now you will come down. The next arrow is pointing to the foot, FOOT, foot. So you will write here foot. Now you will come at the right side. The joint of the leg is called knee, KNEE, knee. Here the sound of a K is silent. You will write KNEE, knee. But in spoken it's knee, not knee. Okay, now you will write this and you will complete your full page like this. These are all your body parts. Okay, you will fill your page, you will write these names on these lines as the arrows are pointing towards these parts. Okay, this is our today's work and you will do it in neat writing. Okay, then take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.